In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up page logics within a Be Engaged form. Doing this will allow for a more seamless experience for form recipients as they will be directed to the right questions or pages of a form without having to do a lot of scrolling. After logging into Be Engaged, you'll go to your group and then click the Surveys and Forms shortcut from the group dashboard. From there, you can scroll down your forms list to find the form you want to add the page logics to. Once you've found the form, click the little pencil to the right of the form name, which allows you to edit the form details and add these logics. As a note, the form has to be created already in order to set up this type of logic, so make sure your form is complete and basically ready to go at this point. Now, scroll down the form to find the page your page logics will be based on. For our purposes, we're going to choose this first page. You can see all these pages within the form are visible right now, but we don't want them all to be shown at once. We want to hide any pages after this first page with the first question, is this event virtual or in person? Because we want certain pages to show up based on a recipient's answer to this initial question. So we'll hide these other pages by clicking the little eye icon next to the page name. This will ensure our logics function correctly. Now, to add the page logic, we're going to click these little arrows at the top right of our first question box, which is the Logics button. You should see the word Logics pop up as you hover over that button. From there, we'll click the purple Create Logic button at the top. You should see a purple pop-up appear entitled Create/Edit Survey Logic. In the first section titled Logic Type, you'll choose Page from the drop-down. Under the If section, make sure the question listed matches the question you're on that you want to base your page logics on. Now choose your answers for the condition and value sections. For our purposes, when the question, is this event virtual or in person, is virtual, we want the form to show the page virtual events. So under the Then section, we want to make sure Show is selected, and we'll choose the Virtual Events page from the options next to the following pages. Lastly, under the More section, we'll choose Yes next to Activate Logic, and then click the purple Save button. Now we're going to go through and repeat those same steps for the in-person answer to that same question. We want the page in-person events to show up when people choose the option in person. So we'll click the Create Logic button again. We'll make sure Page Logics is selected for logic type. This time under the If section, we want to make sure that the value is in person. And we want to make sure that next to the following pages, we choose page 3, in-person events, as opposed to page 2, which we selected before. And then under More, we'll make sure Yes is selected so our logic is activated. We'll click the purple Save button, and we're all set with our logics. You can repeat this process for as many page logics as you need to set up for this question or other questions within your form. As a note, you should submit a test form to test out that the logics you've set up are working correctly. But other than that, you're good to go.